Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread mug cake. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You will need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug ready. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, delicious, single-serving treat that comes together in just a few minutes. Next, we will add the wet ingredients. Take 1 ripe banana and mash it thoroughly in your mug until it's smooth. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently stir all the wet and dry ingredients together. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine them until no dry streaks of flour remain. Now it's time to cook your delicious mug cake. Place the mug in your microwave and cook on high for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Keep in mind that cooking times can vary depending on your microwave's wattage. The cake is done when it looks set around the edges and springs back slightly when gently touched in the center. Do not overcook it. Finally, your banana bread mug cake is ready to enjoy. Let it cool in the mug for about 1 to 2 minutes. It will be very hot. You can add your favorite toppings, such as a sprinkle of chocolate chips, a dollop of whipped cream, or some chopped nuts. This warm, comforting dessert is incredibly quick to make and perfect for satisfying a sweet craving anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.